Montessori, and then Trinity International School. Trinity International School, all the way from Dumanafo. Queen Amis Montessori is from Aboaso. Yes. So after this contest, we have contest 6. That is Living Waters Montessori, Promise International School, and then St. Alfred Montessori. I am honored to be your quiz master for today, and my name is Ochi Erichi Michael. You can call me Uncle Michael for short. Alright, so I'll call our contestants to come on stage, then I'll give you the rules of the game. So without wasting my time, let's welcome our contestants with a round of applause as we welcome participants or contestants from Aguna African Faith. A round of applause to Aguna African Faith. You take the first seat. Alright, thank you. Alright, let's welcome with a round of applause Queen Namis Montessori. Queen Namis Montessori, all the way from Aboaso. Yes, that is Queen Namis Montessori. You are welcome. And then a round of applause to Trinity International School, all the way from Dumanafo. Trinity International School. Yes, Trinity International School. So contestants, you are very welcome. Feel relaxed, feel secure, feel comfortable. And let me remind you that we are live on Facebook and YouTube. The link will be shared later, but if you want to access it now, you can go to Facebook or YouTube. On your search engine, you search Okesieba TV. Okesieba TV, both Facebook and YouTube. Okesieba TV. OKESIEBA. Then add TV. Yes. You like, you share, then you bring your comments. Alright, so contestants, you are welcome once again. So you are going to introduce yourself. You mention your name, then your class, then you tell your teachers, your students, your parents watching out there something, what they should expect from you guys. Your facilitators have done their parts, so it is now your turn to also show them something. So Aguna African Faith, you mention your name and your class.
My name is Ampofo Daniel. I am in Basic 6.
All right.
My name is Ansagi Dien. I'm also in classes.
Very good. So that is African Faith. A round of applause to them. So Aguna African Faith, you tell your teachers, your parents, your students here something. What they should expect from you today. Tell them something. It can be a word, a phrase, or a sentence, or even an essay. We have all day, all time to listen to. So one word. Your facilitators are here. What they should expect from you. Let's say, you can say, we are here to win. Anything.
We are here to win the competition.
Alright, so they are here to win the competitions. Alright, so they said they are here to win the competition. It means that from here all the way to the finals, and then when they get there, they are going to crown the champion. So they are not here to win the contest, right? But they are here to win the competition rather. So they will find any ways and means to win the competition. They can even lose, but find a way to win the competition. Alright, so let's give them a round of applause once again to Aguna Faith, Aguna African Faith. Alright. Do something.
Please, my name is Joseph Mesajebedu, and I am in class 6. And I'm also in grade 6.
Alright, so that is Benamis for you guys. So, Benamis, you two facilitators are here, the students are here, came with the bus, right? You want to go home with morale, Jama, right? from Dubanao. People are watching you guys. Your facilitators are here. So what are you telling them? So before that, mention your name and your class.
Please, my name is Laurentia Animli. I am in grade 6.
Very good.
I respond to the name Josephine Morrison Bafo. I am in class 6.
All right. So that is Trinity for you guys. Let's appreciate them with a round of applause. Now, a word to your people, a word to your facilitators, a word to your proprietor, a word to your parents.
We are here to win, so I'm telling my teachers, colleagues, and proprietor to pray for us.
All right, so yes. So you should be starting, like you should start to go to Achia Mountains to fast and pray because they say you should pray for them. So you should be, by now be at Kamponsuta thereabouts, heading towards Achia Mountains, or by now you'll be climbing the mountains over there. All right, so you're welcome once again. I'm going to give you the rules of the game. Then I'll give you 5 minutes to relax so that all tension and pressure will be away, okay? Yes. Now to you, the supporters, the students here, you came here to clap. You did not come here to eat. You came here to clap. So anywhere you clap, whether wrong, whether correct, good or bad, you clap. I hope it's clear. Yes. Cheer them up and shouting. That is where the morale, the vim will come. If you be sitting there doing nothing, they're not going to get any morale, right? So let's listen to the rules of the game. The Kwabre Science and Maths Quiz Prelim Stage Contest 5. We have 3 interesting rounds. Round 1. A and B. 24 questions in total. Section A, 12, B, 12. Section A, which is science. 12 questions, 3 for each school. Now listen. You have 2 attempts in 20 seconds. 2 attempts in 20 seconds. As a major question. Then a transferred question, you have 1 attempt in 10 seconds. 1 attempt in 10 seconds as a transferred question or bonus. You can only answer a transferred question by pressing the bell in front of you, before you. Before you can answer any transferred question or a bonus question, you should press first. Let me remind you, the first to press, you are the one going to be called. By lesson, you should press until you are called to answer. The machine there is not a recorder. So if you press and remove your hand, it's not going to record. Me, I will not see it. So I will urge all of you, when you are pressing, to press until I will call you to answer. Then you press it off. Then you answer it. I hope it's clear. Very good. For a major question, answer correctly, you have +3, wrong, 0. For a transferred question or a bonus question, you have +1 for answering it correct. And nothing, not even a 0 when you get it wrong. So these are the rules for rule 1 or round 1. When you get to round 2, I'll give you the rules of the game. So now, press your bell, let me see. Yes, I'm gonna press the bell. You are number 1. Yes, Penamis. You are number 2. Trinity, you are number 3. Now to your microphones. Speak to your microphone. Yes, mention him. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay. So you
Hello.
Hello.
So you speak louder, right? Those using the wireless one, you hold it like this. When you are speaking, you hold it like this. You speak through it so that the people around will hear the answer very well, right? Boldly, be confident. After that, You turn off like this. Those using the microphones, hold it like this. Let it get close to your mouth. Then speak boldly. I hope it's clear. All right. So this is the Kwabre Science and Math Quiz Prelim Stages Contest 5. 5 minutes to cool down. Take away all pressure and tension from you guys. So you can pray, you can have a conversation for 5 minutes, and then we start. We'll be back. So in case of any comments, any problem, any challenges, anything from the teachers, any protest, you kindly come to the high table and we will resolve it for you guys. That is it. After any round 2, you have to accept the results before we declare it. So after any round, 1 rep from each school will come and then check the results. When you accept it, we sign, and then we declare it here. So thank you so much. So relax. When a material can be drawn into wires without breaking, it is said to be called as. When a material can be drawn into wires without breaking, it is said to be called as. So bonus. Are you okay? Hello, are you okay? So pay attention, huh? Trinity, your major question. A material that does not allow electricity or heat to pass through easily is called as
Insulators.
insulators. Is correct. Agona African faith. A material that does not let light to pass through is called as
Transparent of
no, come again. A material that does not let light to pass through is called. Your time is up. Yes, Queen Amis.
Opaque material.
And that is +1. Off it. All right, so major question, Queen Amis. Glass is often used for windows because it is dashed. You can see through.
because it is transparent.
It's transparent, you are right. Trinity, a major question. Don't be looking anywhere else. Look at here. Look at me. Huh? If I see you looking at if I see you looking anywhere else, it comes with deduction of marks. So don't pay attention to anything. Just look at me here, right? Your major question. A material that bends rather than breaks when a force is applied might be described as dash. A material that bends rather than breaks when force is applied is said to be described as
Wood.
wood. No. Come again. Your time is up. Yes, Queen Amis.
Malleable.
Malleable. Yes, correct. African faith. A major question. The movement of the earth around the sun causes dash to change. Agona faith. The movement, okay.
Rotation of the earth on
No.
its own axis.
No. The movement of the earth around the sun causes dash to change.
Day and night.
Day and night. Okay, correct. Okay, so the question was the movement of the earth around the sun. So it's not day and night, huh? Okay, so you're wrong. So a bonus. Trinity.
Season.
It causes change season, yes. Your major question, Queen Amis. The outermost layer of the earth where humans live is called as
Earth crust.
earth crust is correct. Now to you, Trinity. When a seed begins to grow because of water and warmth, this process is called as
Nation.
germination is correct. The last set of questions. The last set of questions for round 1, section A. Now, I'm gonna fit. Rotation of the Earth on its axis Causes.
Day and night.
Very good. Day and night. Correct. Your last question, another round one, section A. Queen Amis. In the life cycle of flowering plants, the first stage is usually the seed. Seed is correct. Your last question. A living thing's life journey from birth, that is seed, to death is called as. A living thing's life journey from birth to death.
Growth.
No.
Life processing.
Life.
Processing.
Speak to the microphone.
Life processing.
That is correct. All right, so my attention has been drawn. The question says, a living thing's life journey. It's not the activities they do, right? So it means you are wrong. It's not life processes. So you are wrong. So 0 to Trinity. Yes, bonus. 0 to Trinity. Yes. Any idea? A living thing's life journey from birth to death is called. You can answer. Yes.
Life.
No, can't say life. So it's life cycle. We are moving on to round 1, section B, mathematics. Listen to the rules. Under this round, we have 12 questions. Each school is answering 3 sets of questions. We have 2 attempts in 30 seconds. 2 attempts in 30 seconds as a major questions. Questions are transferable. 1 attempt in 15 seconds. Are you okay? Here we go. Now, Queen Amis, your major question. What numerator makes x over 20 equals to 3 over 4? What numerator makes x over 20 equals to 3 over 4? Yes, Queen Amis.
5.
5 is not the answer. Your time is up. Bonus. Yes, I'm gonna.
15.
And that is correct. 5 points. Trinity, your major question. You have to find a mixing number. In 7 over 9 equals to x over 27. 7 over 9 equals to x over 27 is correct. You said what?
27.
Speak to
27.
27, no. Find a mixing number here. 7 over 9 equals to x over 27. So your time is up. Bonus. Yes. Is anyone trying? Is anyone trying? Yes.
7.
7 is wrong. Queen Amis, any idea? So the answer is 21. 21. Aguna Faith, your major question. You have to find a mixing number here. 4 over 5 equals to x over 25. 4 over 5 equals to x over 25.
5.
No.
Six.
No. Your time is up.
10.
All right. So Kunami is
10.
no.
6.
Are you pressing?
5.
You said 6, say 5. Which is which?
5.
It's pass. All right. So the final answer is 20. You have only one attempt as a bonus. So you can't say two things here. Queen Naomi, so major question. You have to simplify 30 on 45. Simplify.
One.
Come again.
1.
No. Wait.
2 on 3.
Come again. 2 on 3 is correct. Your major question, Trinity. You have to simplify 15 on 35. 15 on 35.
Two on 7.
Come again.
2 on 7.
2 on 7, no. Yes, Queen Amis.
1 on.
So I'm gonna,
3 over 7.
and that is plus 1. I've told you when you press until you are called. So off it now. Your major question, you have to simplify 16 on 40. Simplify 16 on 40.
Two over 5.
Come again.
2 over 5.
2 over 5, that is correct. Your major question, Queen Amis. You have to solve this. 7 on 10 plus 2 on 10.
9 on 10.
9 on 10 is correct. Trinity International School, you have to solve 5 on 6 plus 1 on 6.
6 on 6.
No.
6 on 30.
No. Pass. Bonus. Yes, I wanna.
1.
1 is correct. Now your major question. You have to solve for 4 on 7 plus 2 on 7.
6.
6 over 7 is correct. The last set of questions. Trinity International School. You have to multiply. You have to find the product. Find the product of 3 over 4 and 1 over 6. Find the product of 3 over 4 and 1 over 6. Hey, it's not a 10. Penamis.
1 on 6.
1 on
6.
no, it's not 1 on 6.
4 on 18.
No. All right. Any idea? The time is up. So the final answer is 1/8. 1/8, not 6. Quinamis. Your last question. Trinity. You have to find the product of 2 thirds, 2/3, and 3/10. Find the product.
Twenty over 9.
20/9, no.
Now over 20.
No, pass.
1 on 5.
Yeah, it's Quinamis.
1 on 5.
1 on 5 is correct. Then the last question goes to African faith. Aguna African faith. You have to find the product of 1 on 5 and 5 on 7. All right, time up. Quinamis.
1 on 7.
1 on 7 is +1, and that is the end of round 1. Let's wait for our score master. So the Kwabre Science and Math Quiz is organized by Our Lady of Grace Senior High School in partnership with Kwabre East Education Service and then Okesieba Multimedia. It is powered by the Honorable Member of Parliament, Honorable Onyina Akwesi Jemfi Echampong, the MCE of the Municipal, Honorable Joseph Amankwa, the Education Director, Nana Asari Mensah, and then Nana Ayebiafu, Sasi, Mampontin Hene. It is sponsored by Our Lady of Grace Senior High School and Best Brain Publication Limited. Let's listen to the results for round 1. So after this, we move on to round 2. A very heavyweight contest. So a contest between lips. All right, so let's listen to the results for round 1. So at the end of round 1, Aguna African Faith Primary School had 12 points. Clap for them. And then Quinamis Montessori Primary School had 22 points. And then Trinity International Primary School had 8 points. So we are live on Facebook and also on YouTube. Your comments are welcome. You like, you share, and you bring a comment. You do justice to that. We are moving on to round 2, the true or false round. Any substitution? All right, so let's move on. And in this round, we have 2 sections, A and B. In total, we have 18 questions, 9 for each section. Section A is science, section B, maths. So for section A, we have, please let's listen to these rules. It's very controversial. So listen, we have 1 attempt. As a major question, we have 1 attempt in 20 seconds. You have 20 seconds, 1 attempt. If you get it correct, +3. Wrong, -1. You can choose not to answer. You can choose not to answer. And if you choose not to answer, it means it's a bonus question. The 2 schools can fight for it by pressing the buzzer, right? Or pressing the bell. The first to press the bell, you are called to answer. If you answer it and it's correct, you have +3. Wrong, -1. You can also choose not to answer, but since you've pressed the bell, you have to answer, or else -1. So if you press the bell, whether you like it or not, you should answer. I hope it's clear. All right. So I will start with you, Trinity International School. Leaves absorbs water from the soil. True or false?
False.
And that is correct. Agona African faith. Chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. True or false?
True.
True is correct. Quinamis Montessori. All living organisms need food to survive. True or false?
True.
True is correct. Trinity International School. Photosynthesis requires carbon dioxide, water, sand, and sunlight. True or false?
The question again.
Photosynthesis requires carbon dioxide, water, sand, and sunlight. True or false?
True.
-1. Agona African faith, a major question. Animals store food in a form of starch. True or false?
False.
False is correct. It's correct. All right. Quinamis, your major question. The process or the ability of living organisms to respond to stimuli or the environment is called as respiration. True or false?
False.
False is correct. Your major question. Growth is the ability or the process of increase in height, size, and weight. True or false?
True.
True is correct. Agona African faith, your major question. The ability of living organisms to reproduce is called as, wait. The ability or the process of living organisms to reproduce their same kind is called as reproduction. True or false?
True.
True is correct. We move on to part B, mathematics. Okay, your last question. Kwenami is your last question. The ability of living organisms to respire is called as nutrition, true or false?
Read the question again.
The ability or the process of living organism to respire is called as nutrition, true or false?
False.
False is correct. All right, now to mathematics. So your major question, Quenamis. 56 is divisible by 8 and 7. 56 is divisible by 8 and by 7. True or false?
True.
True is correct. Trinity International School, 45 is divisible by both 3 and 5. True or false? 45 is divisible by both 3 and 5.
True.
True is correct. Agona African feet. 100 is divisible by 3. True or false? 100 is divisible by 3. True or false? False is correct. You shouldn't be looking anywhere else. Look here. Quenamis. Any number multiplied by 0 equals to 1. True or false?
False.
False is correct. Trinity. Any number multiplied by 1 remains unchanged. Any number multiplied by 1 remains unchanged. True or false?
True.
And that is correct. Angona African faith. The sum of 3 even numbers is always even. True or false? The sum of 3 even numbers is always even. True or false?
True.
And that is correct. Quenamis. The sum of 3 odd numbers is always even. True or false?
False.
False is correct. Trinity. The sum of 2 odd numbers is always even. The sum of 2 odd numbers is always even. True or false?
False.
False is -1. All right, the last question goes to you, Agona African faith. The sum of an even number and an odd number is always even. True or false? Speak to it. Now talk. Talk. True. True is wrong. -1. So that is the end of round 2, the true or false round. Let's appreciate our contestants with a round of applause. All right, so thank you so much. We are moving on to round 3. That is problem of the day. Any substitution? Any substitution? All right, so we are live on Facebook and also live on YouTube. So on Facebook and on YouTube, you can search Okeseba TV. You like, you share, and you bring your comments, and we do justice to that. We are waiting for, okay, any substitution? Yes, Trinity. All right, so at the end of round 2, that's the true or false round, Agona African Faith had 14 points. Clap for them. Queen Namis Montessori had 18 points. And then Trinity International School had 10 points. So we are moving on to the problem of the day. So under the problem of the day, contestants are given questions and then answer booklets. You write your school name on top of the question paper. They are using 90 seconds to solve this problem. If you are done writing the name, you put the pen down. And listen. You have 90 seconds to solve the problem before you. It's a very big problem that we need solution. And you are here to help us solve it. So you are using 90 seconds to solve this solution, to solve this problem. Now I'll read the question to you all, and then when the time starts, you start work. So you can look through the questions and make sure that whatever that I am reading here is over there before you. So the ratio of men to women, the ratio of men is to women, is to children in a pack is 5:7:3. If there are 225 people, how many children? The ratio of men is to, don't start working. Your pens down. The ratio of men is to women, is to children in a pack is 5:7:3. If there are 225 people in total, how many children? Now, my time paper is ready, so start work. All right, thank you so much. We are done for this contest. But wait for your final results, right? All right, so this is the Kwabre Science and Math Quiz, second edition, 2026. Prelim stages, contest 5. A very heavyweight contest between school from Aguna, that's Aguna African Faith, representing the people from Aguna, Seche. Kwabre Seche, right? Yes. And then we also have Queen Namis all the way from Abuaso. Yes. Abuaso, representing the people from Abuaso. That is Queen Namis. And then we have Trinity International School from Dumanafo, representing people from Dumanafo. Yes, they are also here. After this, we have a heavyweight bout. That's a very intense contest. A very big one. So at 12, we have contest 6. That is Living Waters Montessori from Ejuma Menshia. Then Promise International School from Aboaso. And then St. Alfred Montessori. So after this contest, continue watching us. Join us from Facebook, anywhere, and then YouTube. By searching on your search engine, Okesieba TV, sharing, liking, and bringing your comments. This competition is proudly powered by Honorable Onyina Akwesi Jemfie Champon, Honorable Joseph Amankwa, Nana Mensa Asari, that is the Kwabre Municipal Education Director. We also have Nana Asasi Ayebiafo, Chief of Mamponten, and it is proudly sponsored by Our Lady of Grace Senior High School and Best Brain Publication. Okay, Saber TV is our media partners. For all your engagement, wedding, if you want to take a media coverage, a live coverage, stream live, or record video editing, just contact Okesieba TV, Okesieba Media. Let's kindly wait for our score masters to So Okesieba TV or Okesieba Multimedia is expert in video editing, graphic designing, t-shirt printing, MC, documentary, shooting live, studio setup, online radio setup, etc. So all these things, if you need any help, look nowhere else than Okesieba Multimedia. But let's keep this in mind that third place school with the highest mark have the chance to qualify. So don't be discouraged. Don't be discouraged. You need to sit upright from here, and then you pay much attention to your books. I've been hearing a lot of complaints. You, the student, you'll be playing a Dream League soccer. You go home, you're playing Dream League soccer. All right, so at the end of round 3, that is the problem of the day round, Aguna African Faith had 2/10. Clap for them. Queen Namis Montessori School had 0/10. And then Trinity International School had 6/10. So at the end of the contest, one school goes home, but we pray that other competition ahead, the third place school have a least number or a least marks so that you get a chance to qualify. All right, so the first school had 40 points. The second school also had 28 points. And then the third school had 24 points. All right, so Aguna African Faith had 28 points, and they are second on today's competition. So you are second. Aguna Faith, you've qualified automatically. You are not waiting for anyone. You'll not be looking for any contests. You've qualified, go home, sit upright, prepare. Because going up, going forward, you are going to meet the big guys. So prepare. So you've qualified. Congratulations to you, Aguna African Faith. For Trinity International School, you have to be going to watch nights, fast and pray a lot. You had 24 points. Yes, you are the danger zone, so pray. All right, you have 24 points. For now, as we speak, you are out of the contest unless something happens. So go home, and then Lord, don't lose hope. Pray and follow the competition. Yes. So you have 24. Thank you so much for joining us. Better luck next time. If it comes that you couldn't qualify, we wish you all the best. But just go, start studying hard, start afresh, put this at the back of everything, at the back of you, and then start learning. Prepare yourself for the next edition so that it comes stronger next year, 2027. Okay, so I've been told that one school had 23 and you had 24. So you are ahead of that school. So pray, continue praying. Continue praying. All right. So congratulations to Queen Namis Montessori. You are the winner of today's contest. You've qualified automatically and you are there already. You are among the big guys. You had 40 points and you are the third best school with highest mark. Yes. So let's, with a round of applause, let's congratulate them. Thank you so much. You've done really well. Go and then prepare ahead of this round 16. To facilitators who join us, a very big thanks to you all. We appreciate your efforts. We appreciate you a lot. We thank you so much, and we are grateful to have you around. So we end contest 5 with a massive congratulations to Queen Namis Montessori. So let's welcome them as they leave stage with a round of applause. So thank you so much, students. You can leave stage now. So you can go.
conquer shine so bright and true. Hooray!
All right. Thank you so much, Queen Namis. Congratulations once again to you. See you next 3 weeks for the round 16th round. Also, Agona African Faith, you've done so well. Congratulations to you. See you next 3 weeks.